Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2017 Lexus IS 2.5 300h Advance E-CVT, finished in stunning blue with a refined black leather interior. A sleek and efficient executive saloon that combines hybrid technology, premium comfort, and Lexus reliability in one smart, stylish package. From the side, the saloon silhouette is elegant and streamlined, riding on 17-inch alloy wheels. Sleek lines, body-colored detailing, and electric folding. Mirrors round off the clean, upscale design. At the rear, the IS keeps things sharp and simple with wraparound taillights and a subtle integrated lip spoiler. Rear parking sensors and a reverse camera ensure hassle-free maneuvering. Powered by a 2.5-liter petrol hybrid engine and smooth E-CVT transmission, the IS 300h offers refined, quiet driving with excellent fuel efficiency. Cruise control and start-stop technology make every journey feel effortless and economical. At the front, the IS features Lexus's bold spindle grille, sharp LED headlights, and a sculpted bonnet that gives it a dynamic, confident look. It's a striking first impression that reflects the car's modern hybrid performance. Step inside and you'll find a premium driver-focused cabin. You get 8-way electric front seats, both heated and ventilated, for all-season comfort and a luxury experience at every turn. In terms of technology, the Lexus IS comes equipped with built-in navigation, Bluetooth, DAB radio, and an intuitive infotainment system, keeping you connected wherever the road takes you. In the back, passengers enjoy a refined environment with quality materials and excellent legroom, ideal for both business and leisure use. In the boot, there's a practical load area for your day-to-day essentials, luggage, or weekend trips, making it a smart all-rounder. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161 399 1629, quote registration SM17XFX, to book a test drive or request a personalized video tour.